Imagine whipping up crispy fries, juicy chicken thighs, or a perfectly roasted Orleans chicken in minutes, all without the mess of traditional frying or the hassle of a bulky appliance. The ASZ air fryer with window visible, 5-quart compact digital air fryer is here to transform your cooking experience, whether you're a busy professional, a college student, or a small family looking for healthier, tastier meals. This 8-in-1 kitchen countertop marvel is designed for 2 to 3 people, making it the ultimate gift for dorms, offices, or cozy home kitchens. We'll dive into why this air fryer is a must-have, exploring its standout features, real-world performance, and why it's trending across platforms like Facebook and Amazon. Ready to revolutionize your meals? Let's get cooking. Why the ASZ 5-quart air fryer stands out. Air fryers have become a staple in modern kitchens, but the ASZ 5-quart air fryer takes things to the next level with its sleek design, versatile functionality, and user-friendly features. Unlike larger models that hog counter space or basic fryers that lack customization, this compact digital air fryer strikes the perfect balance of power, convenience, and style. With a 1400-watt motor and a max temperature of 400 degrees Fahrenheit, it delivers restaurant-quality results in a fraction of the time. Whether you're air frying, baking, toasting, broiling, or reheating, this 8-in-1 appliance is built to simplify your cooking while keeping safety and ease at the forefront. Here's what makes the ASZ 5-quart air fryer a top contender in the crowded air fryer market. Transparent viewing window. Ever wonder how your food is cooking without opening the basket and losing heat? The ASZ's unique transparent window lets you monitor your meal in real time, ensuring perfect crispiness and doneness every time. No more guesswork. Compact 5-quart capacity, ideal for 2 to 3 people. This air fryer handles 1 to 1.5 pounds roasted chickens, 18 shrimp, 8 chicken thighs, or 1.5 pounds of fries with ease. It's a perfect fit for small households, dorm rooms, offices, or RV camping. 8-in-1 versatility with presets. With 8 preset buttons for common foods, like fries, chicken, shrimp, and bacon, and essential functions, bake, toast, broil, reheat, plus adjustable time and temperature settings, you can experiment with recipes or stick to foolproof defaults. Non-stick basket. Plus 2 plates. The BPA-free non-stick basket and 2 included plates make switching between recipes a breeze. Cleanup is quick, and the non-stick coating ensures food slides off effortlessly. Top-notch safety features, a stainless steel exterior, automatic shutoff, and drawer pause function prioritize user safety, making it ideal for beginners or busy cooks. Solving common cooking pain points. The ASZ 5-quart air fryer tackles the frustrations of traditional cooking head-on. Tired of soggy fries or unevenly cooked chicken? The 360-degree high-temperature air circulation technology ensures consistent, crispy results every time. Hate scrubbing greasy pans? The non-stick basket and plates are a dream to clean. Limited counter space in your dorm or office? Its compact design fits seamlessly without sacrificing capacity. Plus, the ability to cook with up to 95% less oil means healthier meals without compromising flavor. A win for anyone prioritizing wellness. Who is this air fryer perfect for? The ASZ 5-quart air fryer is tailor-made for small households, couples or families of 2 to 3 who want quick, healthy meals. College students, dorm dwellers needing a compact, versatile appliance. Office workers, professionals cooking lunch or snacks in tight spaces. Gift givers, a thoughtful, practical gift for holidays, housewarmings, or birthdays. Health-conscious cooks, those seeking low-oil, high-flavor meals. Pros and cons. Pros: compact yet spacious 5-quart capacity. Transparent window for real-time monitoring. 8 preset functions for easy, versatile cooking. Non-stick basket and plates for effortless cleanup. Safety features like auto shutoff and stainless steel exterior. Affordable price point for premium features. Cons. Some users report durability concerns, though rare. Limited capacity for larger families, 4+ people. Manual could offer more detailed recipe guidance. The verdict: is the ASZ 5-quart air fryer worth it? At its core, the ASZ 5-quart air fryer with window visible is a compact powerhouse that delivers on convenience, versatility, and performance. Its transparent window, 8-in-1 functionality, and safety-first design make it a standout for small households, students, or anyone craving healthier meals without the fuss. While it may not suit large families, its ability to cook crispy, flavorful food in a space-saving package is hard to beat. Priced competitively, it's an investment in effortless cooking that pays off with every meal. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.